Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into boot mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Once that has happened, you will hold power key and volume down, and you will hold them basically to two different iterations of the HTC logo. So just gonna go about it, show you how I get into it, because I believe it's gonna be easier. It's a little bit tricky to get into the boot mode or recovery mode on this device. So power key, volume down, both of the keys at the same time. You should see HTC logo. It's fine, keep holding. It will disappear and then it will appear again. So gone, it shows up again, disappears, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. And when it appears the third time around, that's where it will boot you into the boot mode. So in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. So volume up goes up and down goes down, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here, as you can see, you can boot into QMMI. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Start, which will just take you back to the Android system. Restart bootloader just restarts where we are right now, so it doesn't really do much. Recovery mode, that will take you obviously to the recovery mode. Then we're back to power off and start over from the beginning. So because I want to leave this mode, there's not much more to show you. I'm going to select start, confirm it with power key, and there we go. It's now booting back up into the Android. And there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.